Good morning, Daily Journal. It's Wednesday, January 8th. The time is currently 8:15 a.m. We made it. Almost didn't make it, man. Almost didn't make it today. Literally just getting out of bed, bro. Oh well, I got up at like 7:50 again. I didn't get up. I was up at 7:50, but I didn't get up till like just like about 3 minutes ago. I say I got to my desk at like 8:14. I don't know, man. I don't know what it is, but ever since the holidays, it's just been a struggle to get up, man. Got no excuse, but and I'm working on it. I'm struggling though. I'm working on it, but I'm admitting to you that I'm struggling to get up in the morning. But anyway, I'm here. Let's get into it. I didn't do anything on my morning routine, really and truly. So let's get into it. Let's skip straight past that. It's disappointing. I'm disappointed in myself. I need to get better. And that's it, really and truly. So as always, my weekly target is 5%. My daily target is my two bullets. However, that ends up, but it ends up, I got two bullets for the day. Mental check-in, feeling pretty okay. Kind of not tired. I'm up, but like I could sleep, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm feeling okay, generally okay. I was kind of not gonna lie, I was kind of a little upset with myself yesterday due to price, my performance yesterday. I was kind of upset with my performance yesterday, but it was just one day, right? And it was mainly a down day, and I was trying to, catch a falling knife on a down day, even though like I obviously recovered a little bit of my loss. I still was like, feeling some type of way about price action, but I understand that not every day I'm gonna come out of this with a win or like I understand losses are part of the game, and which is the next one anyway. So my risk disclaimers is next anyway. But I was kind of a little like feeling some type of way about price action, but I know it's just that one day, and it doesn't deter me from where I'm going. So I kind of just have to let it go. All right, I let it go already. It's gone. I was feeling it yesterday after while I was watching price action, but like I let it go now. On to the next day, right? Um, but anyway, let's go on with it. I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. I'm not gonna let that one day obviously deter me from what I got going on and what I've proven obviously works, right? So today we got Wednesday, we had the 8:15 medium impact news. Why are they switching this stuff up on me, man? Okay, there we go. This shit is so inconsistent, bro. I was about to say, they be adding shit, taking shit away. I was like, we got 8:15 medium impact news, which we already missed already. Then we got 8:30 high impact, we got 10:30, and then today is FOMC. Oh, today is FOMC. Today is Wednesday, bro. I didn't see this well. I didn't go down enough to see. But anyway, so today price action should be better in the PM session, okay? But we're still here in the morning to see what these high impact medium impact news bring. Okay, so let's go ahead and determine our risk. As always, is staying the same. I used two bullets yesterday, one hit, one missed, one hit. I was still down on the day though, but yeah, used two bullets. Leverage still staying the same because I'm at my lowest anyway, so still staying at one. My weekly condition is bullish. Okay, I'm in a buy program. Let's go ahead and see if anything's happened overnight to change that for me. Yesterday was a very strong, let's confirm with the Forex Factory. It was a very strong down day. Wednesday, 8:15 is red here. Then 10:30 is yellow. Then FOMC, okay, about the same roughly. Dollar bill, yeah. All right. So dollar left these relative equal lows here. Okay, didn't even bother to take them. All right, and then now it's rallying higher to take on to buy side. Okay. Like I said, my next draw on dollar. What did I say my next draw on dollar was? Yep, it's to completely fill in this weekly CB here. Okay. Completely fill in this weekly CB. We completely filled in the monthly CB. We have this weekly CB here to fill in. Right. Like I said, it failed to come into the weekly BC. Okay, to go higher, doesn't need to do it. It can fill the BC and then drop to the weekly um BC. Yeah, it can fill the CB and then drop to the BC. Yeah. All right, so dollar rallying higher, okay, meaning NQ sales should be good, which was what yesterday was saying to me anyway. All right, NQ seems to be stuck. Seems to be keeping price okay in this range here. All right, in this discount array here. Okay, we came into the daily CB, okay, and we're seeing some bearishness, all right, up and down. Really, the only thing here is this 4 hour tiny busy. There's a 4 hour busy here. What with the volume imbalance? I'll include the volume imbalance as well. There's the busy, this tiny busy, and we have a volume imbalance here. All right, so that's the next draw. And should we go any lower? Okay, we have the sell side down here. The price can take, okay, into this bullish um fair bullish fair value gap. What the hell? Busy with volume imbalance. I lost my train of thought there. Fucking, I'm still in la la land right now, to be honest. So in the last 20 days, we're seeing some bearishness. Okay, we're seeing price dropping. Yep. Came into that, dropped. All right. As far as my current understanding of price action, I'm still gonna stick with my buy program. Okay. I understand that there's gonna be retracements in long-term trends, bullish trends. Okay, so this could just be a potential retracement into a discount. Okay, to keep going higher. So as far as I'm concerned, nothing's happened really, even though given bearishness, there's still some buys in it. To change my weekly program, I'm gonna stick with it. Okay. I'm not trying to pick the top on this trend. Okay, as you can see, the trend is very bullish. So I'm just gonna stick with it until proven otherwise. All right, until maybe we get maybe down, somewhere. Let's go ahead and note our buy side and sell side on the S&P. Sorry there, DJ. Um, no, our buy side and sell side on the M15 time frame, and let's go ahead and discuss a little bit about yesterday's strong downtrend trading. Bloody hell. So above price right now, we have London session buy side, which price has already engaged. Looking like we took that display lower, market structure shift. We have a fair value gap here, so let's see if this fair value gap keeps price lower. Above that, we have PM session buy side, lunch session buy side, and then above that, we have yesterday's previous daily high in line with AM session high. Then we have Monday's lunch session high, previous daily high in line with AM session high. I guess they saving you for another day, which is all good. Either way, a buy and sell can do it all in the same day. All right, we got a buy side there. All right, below price. Okay, we have London session sell side, which price has already engaged. We have yesterday's previous daily low in line with PM session low, which price has already given us a setup around on the M5. We'll talk about it in a second. Was it 8:15? Below that, we had a Friday's AM session, Friday's 3rd of January AM session low, which price has already taken. We'll just leave it here. And then we have Friday's previous daily low, which is still intact. Below that, we got these lows up in here. Low. How's PM position? What low is this back from? Okay. Have to confirm. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, damn. All right, so we got our sell side and buy side noted on the M15 time frame. Let's go ahead and discuss yesterday's trading a little bit and see where the opportunities were and where we tripped ourselves up. We had a morning session just now form when we took that low, swing low, displacement back above the low. It's an A minus trade, fair value gap. Okay, but it's too low, so that's fair. We have a second setup here, swing low, 750 macro, swing low, below key low, displacement back above the key lows, market structure shift. Okay, A plus setup. We have this fair value gap here. Let's see how price behaves if and when it comes back in there. Sexy, sexy trade. Sexy. Boom, boom, boom. Voyage. 301. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, fourth candle involved in this fair value gap there. That's the one you'll be getting in. A15. Yeah, nothing. Oh, all right, let's go into, let's do it here. Let's leave this. A little bit into, we got 2 minutes until that news comes out. It takes you out before you can hit the TP2. Cool. All right, TP1. That's all they gave you. No worries. TP1. Yesterday's trade, that the one from the morning, the 5 after the 8:30 9:30 lift off. As you can see, that's what it gave you there. It still gives you a little bit more, goes a little bit lower. Two 2K Beautiful trade, beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Then I was trying to like catch a fallen knife really and truly yesterday. What the hell, man? Because it was just going down, down, down. There was a setup here, 1250. There was a setup. Gave you 4 take profits and then came to take you out. Yeah, I'm happy I took my 102 there. You know, I made a little bit back of my money. So, because that shit was crazy. All right. During 1250 macro, take liquidity. Okay, trade below 2 and 3 kilo. All right. This swing low doesn't give us a displacement to the upside with the fair value gap. No worries. Take liquidity below kilo. Okay, so that means we can go with the A minus setup, all right, but we get A plus setup here, which is even A plus plus setup. Take liquidity below kilo, okay, swing low, displaces back above the kilo, market structure shift, fair value gap here. boom, bang, bosh. Like I said, it gives you four take profits, okay, and then it comes and takes you out. Because if so, even in a strong bearish day, okay, you can still get a decent buy setup. All right. Another setup here that would have tricked you up, well, tricked me up anyway, because I think I did get in that bad boy. Somehow I was in front of my charts, which is why I don't like to be in front of my charts too much. Because when I see something, I'm like, oh yeah, I have to get in it. I think this was it. Anyway, I took it on my demo, which is fine. I'm not losing nothing on here. So sell side, all right. 8 p.m. session open range, sell side, swing low, displaces back above, causes a market structure shift, A plus setup, all right. Displacement right back above that kilo, okay. Fair value gap, entry here, okay. As you can see, it comes and takes you out. It was a very strong down day. This was a new week opening gap from a while ago that I drew on there that haven't taken off, and as you can see, it's still doing this thing. Anyway, let's get back to price action now. Yesterday, obviously, we're gonna get those days where price is just it's just strong in one direction, okay, and it's not offering us any opportunities with our setup, all right, to get in the market, all right. We're gonna take more losses, which is fine because we only have two bullets anyway. After you take those two losses and you don't find a winning trade, that's it, you're done, all right. And obviously with risk management in place, okay, when we start increasing our leverage, then it will keep us in the game longer. Okay, we don't have to really worry much about beautiful, beautiful. I would be gaining here because that's the fourth candle. Fourth candle fair value gap is the last um entry point for me. So let's go ahead. News has come out and did much. Yeah, okay, so pretty much. Could be a Wednesday low of the week too, potentially. All right, we could be getting a Wednesday low of the week. Yeah. See what the stop would have been for this trade here. Buying, so +1 now. Okay, so we've come into that M15 CB there. Okay, from this trade, buy side displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap here. As you can see, we're getting that some displacement to the downside there. Oh man, just control them time. You get money is attractive. How you do that, boy? And A minus. Okay. So, volume balance of the NFP Wednesday. Where is it then? The hell? These things are so wrong. The only correct one I've seen so far. Yeah, but where's the beginning of it? You can't even like change nothing. Tell it. Okay, this one I get to pick. Let's go. I like the line ones. I don't really like this one though. Seems to be this one. I like that. The next news, 10:30. Price action will be much better in the PM session because we have FOMC. What the setups will be, cleaner. Right. It's the liquidity, so it can be an A minus. I'm here. I'm doing research right now for that project I was talking about. So I'm here. Nothing's really happening in the market right now. Could have stayed in bed, to be honest. But we out here, we out here. Be right back, guys. You gotta do the things that humans do without spilling too much, you know what I'm saying? Took our ass out there. I was seeing something, and it's going in that direction now. Opening bell, about to kick off. Still in this trade. Above price, so we gap down. Also, it's gonna be if it becomes a Fair Value Gap, it will be the first presented Fair Value Gap, so I wouldn't need to do that. There you go. So be here, wrong position, be tagged in there right now. Let's see. There you go. Good to know. You have this here. This trade would have taken you out break even now. Snap. You guys can see the shit on top of this headpiece. That's why I wear this hoodie, really, to cover this piece right here. And for the coat sometime. That's me. 10 o'clock. Let's go ahead and know buy side and sell side on the M1 time frame for the opening range. You guys, I forgot, huh? I'm here, I'm active, I'm live. Busy, but I'm trying to multitask because nothing's really going on in the charts right now. So why not? I tell you, this year, breaking barriers, hitting targets, and I'm getting to that money, baby. I'm getting to that money. If it ain't about the money, don't be hitting me up, nigga. I ain't picking up. That's where I'm at this year. That's where I'm at. I'm all about the Benjamins, baby. I'm all about the Benjamins, the euros, the pounds, all of them. All of them. I don't discriminate. The news is coming out at 10:30, all right? So let's be aware of that. It's high impact, so we don't want to be trading before. It's medium impact on here though. But this is my main one, so this is the one I'm electing to go with. Taking buy side on the 1 minute time frame there. After coming in here, this 5 minute trade here that I was talking about earlier. Comes in it during the micro. Just delete this one. Just should remove that from my favorites. I'm not using it. Buy side and sell side confirmed on the M5. And 15 set up there. Taking south side there. You got 10:30 news, so high impact news. So. Be seeing what happens, and we also have a 12 medium impact, usually that seeing that do something. We out here, let's see, it's a Wednesday. I don't need to be in anything right now, you know. Something's clear. A plus. Textbook setup. Yeah, I'll engage. I don't want it to say anything. Don't say. Thank you. It would have taken you out at break even. All right, after full take profits there on that 5 hour trade, 5 minute trade there. Below price, we have this low, and then should we go any lower? These are the next lows. Yeah. Yep. They are the next lows. Grab this. Come into a premium sell. Let's see here from the 10 o'clock. When we took that buy side, let's see if those are lower time frame entry. Nothing on the 30-second. Right here. 10:06. 15-second trade. Bing bang bush. Pop the key high here. Swing high. This place is down. Market structure shift. Fair value gap. What are you telling them? Was a low time entry, yeah. Low time frame. Yep. Go, go, go. Those trades. It's going in and analyzing it for the whole time. Right before the news, though. Let's see. Before the news, so type in there. Well, we should just do it this right. I wouldn't be getting in this on a regular basis because it's before a high impact news. Okay, the news comes out right here at 10:30. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, as long as it follows the model here, I can get in. You know what I'm saying? Market structure shift here is A plus setup. We got going on. less than 3 minutes until that news comes out. 150 just about, covers the other fair value gap. Swing low, displacement back above the key high, market structure shift, fair value gap, 8% up. But it's before the news, right? So that's why we're in the demo. Okay. Because if not, this is a perfectly fine trade to get in on a regular day. Yeah, you would have took a loss here at the 150. Fair. Second bullet here. Take me out. It just confirms, my thing of not trading before news, right? Well, something I'm gonna make a steady habit of. 1 minute. If we survive this trade, It's because I feel like too much is going on this chart right now. This candle is involved in a fair value gap, then yeah, we're in the TP1 smash there. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This was getting in before the news, but obviously post news, okay, it comes back into that fair value gap here. So you're better off waiting to post news and then entering the market because it gives you a better entry anywhere opportunity right here. Just failed to hit TP2 there, or hit it. It hit it. It just didn't take us out of it. As you can see, the candle is above it. The candlestick wick is above that exit point. So why didn't take me out there? Anyway, fair value gap here. I'll be interested in the trade. Because key low, swing low here, displacement, market structure shift back above the key low. One, two, three, four. Fourth candle is involved in a fair value gap. Let's do it. Oh, wait. It was 16 seconds. Just to load this 2-4, and we're buying, so we +1, so it should be 2-5. Yep, right there. I think TP2 just got hit there. Yep, TP2 smashed. Bing bang, biggie big wash. Bing bang, diggity wash. Just made back the loss from today already. All right, TP2 there. Let's see. 202. Just got smashed. Kiddo. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, obviously the bear entry was post the news, 10:30, comes in there. All right, cool. It's not looking like it's gonna give us an entry here. You'd be a half risk there on this trade from an entry here. Order filled. All right. Stop loss first, always. Okay. Gotta protect our risk, and then we work on the TP. It's really the last trading day on that account for today, for the week, for this week anyway. But as you can see, the trade was here. Key low right here. Yesterday's previous low and PM session low there. Okay. Swing low, displacement to the upside causes a market structure shift here. Okay. Fourth candle is involved in a fair value gap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, fair value gap there. Tagged in the trade at what time was that? I think it was this candle tagged in there. 10:39. Okay. Been in the trade for a minute now. A minute or two. Yeah, 10:39 candle. Let's monitor it on here. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Takes me out. Okay, it's in the model and the market's hands now. Okay, I've done my job as the trader here. I waited to post the news. Okay, then I anticipated the setup. So nothing much I can do here. Like I said, it's FOMC in the afternoon today. So price action this morning will be muddy. And also, obviously, we'll get better price action and better setups during the PM session. I've done my part, to be honest. Like I said, swing low, but below key low. Okay, displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap. Yeah, nothing I can do there. It's out of my hands now. I accept the risk that comes with this trade. All right. I'll hit the market or the field. So let me know when I'm out. Well, I like that. We didn't completely fill in that busy, okay, and that the candle bodies are closing above the consequent encouragement of that busy there. Okay. I like that. Now I just need to see it leave this busy, okay, with the displacement to the upside and create a fair value gap busy on top of that and then use that to climb higher. Doesn't have to, obviously, but that's what I want to see in this trade. Completely filled it in there. Okay, we have a volume imbalance down here. I want to see that keep price higher. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One, two, one with the third one to fail. Mm. Now that I'm thinking about it, I really probably shouldn't have traded on that account there. Because if we're gonna have FOMC, the better price action will be in the PM session, so I don't really trade in the morning. But hey, we're in there now. Yeah, it's not looking too good there, is it? I'll hear the order field and look up. Close completely below, outside of that busy now. Spending a little bit too much time in this busy for me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. We've been in here for 6 minutes. That means we've been in the trade for about 7:39. Yeah, about 7 minutes. About 3 minutes until 10:50 macro. If we're still in this trade, we'll see what it brings. But we're spending way too long in this busy for me. Get that order block there and move it up there. First presented fair value gap on the M5 time frame there. Came back into the first presented fair value gap. 1 minute. Order field taken out there. No worries. Comes with the game. Looking like we'll still be in here, barely, just about. Ain't that something? Yeah. Yeah, I don't feel no way about that trade. I followed the model, followed the plan, followed the processes. I let the analyst lead. Okay, nothing I could have done differently there. Still, obviously, it's looking like we're still in this trade on TradingView here. Didn't come quite and take us out. Well, according to this tool, we're still in the trade, but obviously in real life, we not, you know what I'm saying? We not in the trade, which is wild. Imagine it goes to TP1 now. That would be something. That would be something, boy. That would be crazy. And that's just one of the things that, comes with trading, you know? It's just, you just, one of the things you just have to deal with it. There's not much you can do. You just have to deal with it. What are you gonna do? Really, what are you gonna do? The tool says I'm still in there. Well, that's wild, isn't it? It's gonna go to TP1. I know it is. I'll be much happy and pleased if it doesn't go to TP1. Yes, because that's crazy. That's wild. Yeah, it's going there, isn't it? Oh, we don't know. We don't know. We have to see being here. Let's see how it behaves if and when it gets in there. But if you do, bro, mate, dude, chick, yeah, then I won't have to worry about that, right? Because we could do that. That is wild, man. That is wild stuff. Wild stuff. What? You're kidding me, mate. You're freaking kidding me, bro. Ah, ooh. Should just piss me off. All right, so looking like market structure stop loss there. Would have been perfectly fine. Swing low. I'm gonna tell they go out there to swing low. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyway, what a sec. Let's see if TP1's on the cards there. It was literally that one candle. Oh, if I just moved it just a little bit lower, I would have kept TP1. You're kidding me, mate. You're kidding me. Like, how? How? Anyway, we know where the trade was at, right? We see it. That's freaking hilarious, but not really and truly. That just pissed me off. NFP doing his thing. Was that NFP? Was that me? Like, what was it right there? Like, what was it? It's okay. I'm happy and pleased with myself that I was able to see my model form in live and price action. Okay, and I was able to execute on it regardless of the outcome. I saw the model and I executed. Okay, that's it, and that's all. I'm proud about that. I'm happy and pleased with myself about that. Okay, I ain't gonna let that get to me. I'm just happy that I'm able to actually see it. I'm able to execute on it and actually watch it do what it's supposed to do. Right? TP1 smash. I want to see this BISI here keep price higher. Okay, this BISI fails, then we could potentially be going lower. BISI with the volume imbalance there. Yeah, I spent a bit too much time in there, but it's not really a lot of time. Why is it saying it took me out now? You guys was here, right? You saw me. You saw it. It didn't say it was taking me out. Now it's saying it took me out. How was it perfectly fine before and now it's taking me out? How does that even make sense? Before it was telling me, did I touch it? No, I didn't touch it. So how the hell does it all of a sudden now is saying it would have took me out? You a freaking bogus shit, dog. Anyway, you did take me out. Ah, it is what it is. It is what it is. 150. Ooh. Swing low. Where would the swing low? What would the swing low have had me? at the stop be 192. Ah, I have to go with the structure stop. It's because yeah, man. Hmm. Swing stop loss. Like the swing will have to be a structure swing. Sometimes you'll be risking more than you need to. Not more, actually. I mean, yeah. Because until this swing low goes, right, the trade is still valid. So my 150 max stop, right, sometimes is a hindrance and sometimes it helps, but I have to see, is it hurting me more than it's helping me at this point? Because I took a loss here, really and truly, but if I had put the stop at the swing low, okay, it's swing or 150 max, but I think I need to cut out that. I need to get rid of that 150 max and just use the swing. If I was obviously my stop at the swing, obviously I would have been kept in that trade and my TP1 would have been hit there. All right. I mean, I'm risking more. I'm, obviously incurring more risk potentially if it comes and takes me out, whatever. But it'll keep me and it'll give the trade breathing room, right? To do what it needs to do. All right. Because that 150 sometimes could be too tight on that trade. Like right here. Perfectly good setup, perfectly good trade. Okay, follows the model to the T, but my stop placement obviously took me out the move before I could obviously capitalize on the actual setup, right? Because it's a clean, fair setup. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm thinking the structure stop or the swing, just put in because obviously with the amount that I'm trading with, okay, I'll be risking my risk percentage will always be the same. So it will be calculated inside whatever leverage I'm using, right? So for now, yeah, I'm, ugh, yeah, that's just risking more though. But it just is, I mean, it's still not like what one at the swing, at the swing low, we're looking at what 192 in terms of ticks, okay? 192 at one at $5 per tick, times 192, risking 960, 960. Risking 960. Mhm. At my 0.5 right now, dominant times 192 will be $96. $96, but okay, that's my risk. It kept me in the trade though. Yeah. Ooh, wee. Because until this low goes out, like I was saying, until this low goes here, this trade is still valid. Until this low goes, this trade is still valid. Because this was a textbook trade. Post news, kilo, swing low, displaces back above the kilo, market structure shift, fair value gap. A plus, textbook. But the trader, I did something wrong, okay? It's my trade management or my stop loss placement, not my trade management, wouldn't be, what would be the trade management? My stop loss placement, okay, limited me from capitalizing on this a textbook setup. So, all right, it's something to think about. It's something to think about moving forward. Because obviously, right now I'm limited at the one leverage, okay? But obviously, in terms of the capital I'm trading with, I'm gonna have a specific percentage amount in terms of risk, okay, which will allow me, if depending on if I'm gaining here and my stop loss being here, obviously I'll calculate what the risk is and where the leverage will need to be. So I'm risking that particular percentage of the account, which is about 1 to 2%. I want to be risking, okay? 2% max, 2% of 30% of the whole account, right? I want to be risking. So it will work out in itself. This is just minor stuff. All right. Minor. The main thing is the model and being able to see and execute on it. Either way, it just gave me one take profit, right? Let's see the potential outcome of this trade and if it makes sense, right? If it would have made sense. Right now, it just gave me 102, really. So I would have been risking $192. No, 192 ticks. TP2 would be, yeah, we're looking at even there. Would be 1 to 1. Yeah, TP2 would be 1 to 1. If it gets there, right? All right, let's do 11:10 coming up. Let's do a trade performance review here and then let's get out of here for today. Okay. Pretty interesting morning. Yeah, pretty interesting morning there. Then the news was what? 8:15. And then post the news comes back into that fair value gap here, 8:18. Okay, so there was the trade. It was still would have taken you out at break even here. Okay, but okay, like the same thing. The trade set up prior to the news, and then during the news, post news, it comes back into that fair value gap. Okay, and then gives us its own setup there. All right, so let's go ahead and do a trade performance review there. Yeah. Is it worth it? Well, it would have took me out at 101 102. I would have at least been able to get TP1 out of it. You know what I'm saying? Rather than being taken out prematurely and missing out on TP1, you know? But it's just that one trade, right? Is it? Yeah, something yeah, I've always been thinking about it. It's always been a thought process, okay, but now I'm encountering a few more things that, could be changing my mind or could be making me look at it differently. But anyway, what did I do well today? Showed up today, got 1% better. Okay. Saw my model forming, executed as per the model. Okay. Even though it resulted in a loss, I'm proud of myself and I'm pleased with my performance for being able to see the model forming live in price action, being able to execute on it. And obviously, there's still things that I need to work on. Okay, well, we'll talk about it. One is how I can improve the next trading day. But yeah, showed up, got 1% better, was able to identify the model forming and execute on it. Okay. Even the ones I was trying out here was obviously prior to the news, just wanted to see this was a fair, any other day, this would have been a fair loss, fair trade here, TP2, um, TP2, okay, be at half. Yeah. Would they have come and taken you out at half risk? Nope. You still be in there at half risk there. Okay. Yep. Boom. This one still would have kept you in at half risk. Still hasn't hit TP2, TP3 yet though, anyway. But yeah, where did I fall short today? Where I fall short is once again, I didn't wake up at a decent time. I didn't even get to do anything on my morning routine this morning. Okay, so I fell short again there. Mm, come on, man. I'm just disappointed in myself about that, but we move. Yeah, that's where I fell short today. Um, Obviously I was trading before the news, okay, but it wasn't on a live account, it was just on a demo account. Okay, so I wouldn't say I fell short there, but if I was trading on my fund account, yeah, that would have been stupid and dumb. But obviously I didn't do that, so I'm learning. Obviously, this demo account is here for a reason for me to test out stuff, okay, and without any monetary or loss or impact to me or all my capital, right? It's fake money, doesn't really exist, doesn't really matter, doesn't care. All these pluses and minuses doesn't mean jack crap. Okay, it's just me testing out. I'm getting experience and testing out the model in its variations, and breaking the rules a little bit and seeing what would happen. Okay, which is further confirming why I need to be sticking to the rules and the procedures and the planning and the processes. All right. So that's what it's there for. So I'm gonna use it. Yeah, how I can improve for next trading day. Keep collecting data on the 150 stop. I haven't really had that much. It's been a few trades actually. It's been a few trades that 150 takes you out and then it goes to where it needs to do. But we're still collecting data whether we should use a structure stop or whether we should just stick to the swing low or swing high as the stop, okay, without the 150 max. Because right now it's swing low or 150 max, okay, but yeah, like here, would it be worth it? Would it be really, would it really be worth it? I still would have got my TP1 though, so it would have allowed me to get TP1 for sure, take something out instead of taking me out for a loss and actually missing out on this, right? So when this failed, boom, boom, that trade is done. I said if this BC fails, yeah, this trade is done and the price is coming lower. And we close below it here, okay? Close below it here and used it as an inversion on this candle, okay, with the order block inside of it. And there you go. Yeah, so that's how I can improve for next trading days. Collecting the data. Obviously, when I go live with my own capital, it will be based on a risk percentage, okay, and not leverage, not like one leverage word. It will be based on a risk percentage. So I'm risking, let's say I want to risk 1% per every trade, okay, depending on where my entry is and where my stop loss is, okay. I want something that will calculate what the risk parameters are and what leverage I need to be gaining in on that trade, okay, to be risking that percentage of my account. So for now, I'm just stuck with the one leverage and stuff that I'm doing. Okay, well, let's say I have a 100K account, right? Let's say a 100K account and my risk percentage per trade is 1%. So that's $1,000 I'm risking per trade, right? So I'll need to get in a leverage which allows me entry here with a stop here, with a stop entry here with a stop here that only allows me to lose $1,000 if this trade were to come and take me out for a loss. Come to a key low here. I traded to and through a key low. Okay, we're getting a displacement to the upside here. Still would be in this trade, okay, had we kept at the swing low, okay. We get a fair value gap here. I will be interested in this trade because this trade is still valid. Remember, like I said, until this low goes, this trade is still valid. Still drawing the micro there. Let's do it. I just did a trade performance review, Should I really be trading here? See if we get the fair value gap first. It's the low 10.50. We're buying, so 10, 11.50. Oh, perfect. at the swing low, still with the plus -2. Yeah, and whatever it is, it is. One, two, three, four. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, you still would be in this trade here. Cool. Be back at TP1. Yeah, I got one more bullet. If I want to use it, I can. All right. That's if it gives me the opportunity to, anyway. Yeah, it's gonna be muddy, this morning, right? It's NFP week, FOMC in the afternoon. Price action is gonna be very, very muddy. That back and forth type shit. Yeah. Mm. Mhm. 15 settled there. Yep. Lower time frame settle. Cool. I'm giving it till when? It takes this buy side, doesn't yeah. Oh, just 2 minutes. All right, if we're not tagged in the next 3 hours, another 3 hours. Yeah, let me get out of here. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Just cancel it and just keep it pushing, boy. I'll take my L. I'll take my L. Take my L on the chest, on the chin. I'll stay up to date with this trade, see what happens, and we'll talk more about it tomorrow. Tomorrow we're here. We're back here. Whoa. Is that the day when they're doing the call thing? Tomorrow, January 9th, abbreviated. Oh, stock market's closed. Oh, in honor of President James Jimmy Carter, that's they're gonna close the markets tomorrow. Or is it gonna be a half day? Yeah, probably like looking like a half day. Cool. Yeah. RIP. Yeah, that's why there's no I get you. All right, cool. So looking like tomorrow it's gonna be an Ife day because they're honoring the death of a president and those are the only times the markets, close to honor presidents and stuff. So unless obviously something else happened. But yeah, markets closed. Markets will be closed tomorrow. Oh, I don't know if they're gonna be fully closed or it's gonna be like one of them half days. So we're off tomorrow, I guess. All right. I'll peep in the morning to see what's happening, if it's open or not. If it is, we'll be live here. But if it's not, then we'll just leave it alone. Call it a day. Give me a day off. Thank you very much. And then Friday, we're back here. NFP Friday, baby. Woo! We're back here 8:15. All right. Um, so yeah, that'll be it for today. Good morning session. Learned a lot from this morning session. Okay, you still would be in this trade with a structure, a swing stop. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on it and keep an eye if see if we get tagged in this trade as well and see how the day goes. Okay, but other than that, we out. Daily Journal, DJ, thank you so much. Appreciate you. Yeah, yeah. Uh, any final remarks? No, 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 no. Let's get out of here, man. It's been too freaking long. All right, Daily Journal. Okay, it's going to TP2, right? It's going to TP2. If it hits TP2, yeah, then it would have been worth obviously using the stop. And even this doesn't come and take you out. Okay, it gives it in a cell gives you another setup with a lower time frame entry. 30 seconds, bing bang bosh, boom, right there, 30-second entry. Oh, so them little time frames, boy. When that 1 minute don't give you an entry, all right. Oh, long. We're looking for a long. Let's see what the stop would be here at the swing. 138. Yeah, I'll take that. Right now would have given you what? 102 for sure. 102 for sure. Yeah. Let's see what a 15-second entry would have been at. Roughly down here, a little bit lower. But still same shit. Same shit, just a different day. I be trying to get it each and every way. So it was a good setup. It's a good fine trade. It's just my management, what I got going on, and my trade stop loss placement is what cost me today here. Okay, so it's piqued my interest enough for me to see if I need to make adjustments there. Okay, all right, but Yeah, that was a lower time frame entry there. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Gotcha. All right, DJ. Deuces. Catch you tomorrow, maybe. If not, definitely Friday will be active. All right, deuces. Okay, I stop share before I stop the recording. All right, bye, ladies and gentlemen. Ciao.